Hi everybody, today I show you how to replace rear brake pads on Nissan Titan XD. The first you need to release these nuts. I use a socket number 21. The first you need to release, and after this you need to lift it up this vehicle. Okay, after when you lift it up the vehicle, just unscrew it all nuts and remove the valve. After this you need to release the pistons. Usually I use a screwdriver and to put between brake pads and piston and push it like this, and you can see I pushed the pistons back. We have two pistons, top and bottom, and you need to do same things with this piston, and don't forget to put something on the top pistons. You see, if you push it bottom pistons and don't put nothing on the top, it will become out, and in this case you need to add second screwdriver to push it both. After when you release both pistons, top and bottom, use socket number 24 to unscrew it, this bolt on the top and this bolt on the bottom. After when you unscrew it bottom bolt and unscrew it top bolt, remove brake caliper. After when you remove brake caliper, use a screwdriver to remove brake pads. It's not so easy, use one hand. Remove the old brake pads and install new one, and you can see the difference between new and old one. And after this, put back a new one. Just put one side, and after this push it another side, and sandwich another. This inside one, put inside one and another side and push it. And after this you can put back brake caliper. After when you put back brake caliper, take a bolt and put back, and don't forget about the bottom bolt. Okay, new brake pads installed, and after this you just need to put back the valve, and it's it. Thank you for watching.